Starting a business is difficult, but a lot more than that are the legal compliances. It is important to comply with the legal compliances to ensure smooth business operations. In this video, we will tell you about what is sales tax registration, document requirement, and the process for sales tax registration. So basically, what is sales tax? Sales tax is the tax paid to the governing body for sale of certain product and services. Law allows the seller to collect funds for tax from the consumer at the time of purchase. It is mandatory for all the sellers to get registered for the sales tax. The tax paid by the buyer is the indirect tax. There are different types of taxes applicable by the different governing authorities, but universal type of taxes are retail tax, manufacturing tax, wholesaler tax, and etc. So what are the documents required for sales tax registration? In case of proprietor, partner or director, you need the copy of the Aadhaar card, copy of PAN card and passport size photograph. In case of the entity, you need copy of PAN card of the company, property papers if owned, rent agreement if rented, and in case of company, memorandum of association or article of association or incorporation document, and in case of partnership, you need partnership deed, and lastly, you need the address proof of the business place like water bill, electricity bill, etc. We at Legal Rasta have helped thousands of companies to register their sales tax. If you want to be one of them, you can log into our website, that is www.legalrasta.com, and select sales tax registration. Here you have to fill the online questionnaire. Next you have to select the package, and you can select additional services like ITR filing, service tax registration, etc. and pay accordingly. Lastly, you have to submit your documents online to us and we will care for the rest. Once we are done, you will be intimated, and if you have any query in between the process or you want to track your application, you can freely contact us. I hope this video was helpful to you.